Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm going to be sharing 2 easy and quick recipes for either your lunches or meal prep. Quick, easy, and it's still very healthy. So I'm going to start off with these turkey burrito bowls, which are my absolute favorite things to meal prep. I just take ground turkey, some cut up tomatoes, corn, taco mix, cut up onions, I really like these, and then brown rice, and I just like these cups because they are super easy. This recipe is easy because you can do more than a few things at a time, and I start off by heating up a little bit of olive oil in my pan so I can start browning the turkey meat. While that turkey meat continues to brown, now is a great time to go ahead and grab your tomato and your onion if it's not already sliced and start cutting them up into small pieces. Once the meat is browned, you want to go ahead and strain it out to get any of the grease off, and then you just add your taco seasoning and add the amount of water on the back, which I think is 2/3 cup. So you're just making it like you would make normal taco meat, just with turkey.
If I can find a track that could lead me back to those days when we were happy, we said we would never give up. I feel so lost and confused. Tell me why we have to hit the ground when it's easier to.
Now all that's left to do while the turkey simmers in the taco seasoning, you just throw your rice in the microwave, open the can of corn and pour it out, and then at this point you will have everything you need laid out, almost like a little buffet line, and then you can build your burrito bowl from here.
To hurt you like I did. Now I need you to forgive me for the pain I caused you. Rain will wash away the sadness.
There are a ton of other things that you can add. You can add beans if you want to. You could even add little crispy taco shells, salsa, whatever you think that you want, you can add to this. I just add the things that I normally like in my tacos, in my burrito bowls. And seriously, because you can make everything at the same time and multitask, this does not take very long, and this is one of the best things that you can do as far as meal prep goes. It tastes good several days after you've made it, so if you want to throw them in containers, you're welcome to do that. I absolutely love this meal. It's by far one of my favorites. This next meal is extremely easy, also another great one for meal prep. It's just going to be some sauteed chicken with whatever seasoning that you prefer. I have this nice little bag of veggies I can just throw in my steamer. I love the broccoli and cauliflower. And then these, they're a little bit frozen in a weird shape, but these are the Simply potatoes. They are already diced sweet potatoes. And then I'm going to be using the olive oil for the chicken and the sweet potatoes and these seasonings for the chicken.
I don't fit to your parts, beauty queens without no flaws.
Because the potatoes take the longest, you want to go ahead and start those first. You just need to saute them in a little bit of olive oil, which I already have in the pan here. And you pretty much will just let them go until they are done. Not much is actually needed. So the reason why this is kind of a quicker meal, obviously I'm going to have bagged things. It would take a lot longer to take a whole sweet potato and start dicing that up and going from there. So this is just really nice to have vegetables like this in the bag that you can just throw on because it still tastes exactly the same, but it's just a lot faster. So as you see, I only have one serving in here. If I was meal prepping this, I would probably do obviously multiple servings so I could put one in each container. But like I said, the days that I started filming this, I was just making lunch for one that day, but usually I definitely would be meal prepping this.
Fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Now I'm going to go ahead and put this broccoli and cauliflower medley into my steamer. This is one I got from Pampered Chef a few years ago. I love it. You just pop it in the microwave and steamed veggies come out in about 6 minutes.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off.
So at this point, I go ahead and do the chicken last because the other ones take a little bit longer than the chicken. And I saute them up in a pan of olive oil, and then I go ahead and I use a lemon pepper seasoning and a Lowry seasoning. These are my absolute favorite seasonings with chicken. I've been seasoning them like this for years, but of course if you want variety in your meal prep, you can do different seasonings as well.
You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So of course when it's all done, I pile it on my plate, or if I'm meal prepping, I go ahead and pile it into different containers. Like I said before, this is an excellent one to meal prep. You can always switch out your seasonings. You can switch out your veggies for different days, and as you can tell, I love veggies because I just pile them on. But that's going to be all, you guys, and I'll see you next time.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.